playing on the background is the latest development on Pi network. So they call it Fruit Pi. If you go to your Pi mining app, you will see the update. If you go on the X account, you will see the update. And here I have a blog post on it, okay, on mypi.com. It says gaming and the Pi network ecosystem, a match for utility. So the update is very simple. If you go to your Pi browser and try to explore the Pi ecosystem application, you will see another mainnet ready application called Fruit Pi, a side map of Pi. Okay, now go ahead and click on it and open the application and play around. You will find out that this is a game, okay, called Fruit Pi, where you kind of merge some fruits to create new fruits. Now in this video I'm going to discuss this update and how it can affect, let me use that word, affect the ecosystem generally. So here is the blog post, okay, and if I scroll down, it says why gaming works for Pi. It says Pi network is a social network based cryptocurrency and blockchain that offers both app level utility like games for pioneers and platform level utility for businesses and developers. Okay, if I scroll down, the most important thing to note here is that Pi Network Ventures is ready to invest in gaming project. Okay, it says Pi Network Ventures and gaming innovation. Recognizing this alignment, Pi Network Ventures considers gaming an important vertical to invest in to boost Pi utility and is actively looking at projects that incorporate game design of full-fledged games to drive ecosystem utility. So by this blog post, Pi Network is ready to invest heavily in gaming projects. Okay, now if I scroll down, you can see what the project looks like. Fruit Pi, a working demo of Pi utility. So in this game, it says Fruit Pi directly integrates Pi into the game loop. So as you play the game, you have tendency of spending your Pi coins. Okay, so players can use Pi to progress further and rack up higher scores. Okay, now it also connects to Pi ad network. So that means as you play the game, there is a tendency that you have to watch some ads. Maybe you don't want to spend your Pi, you can now watch ads for you to progress in the game. So this is showing how Pi platform level utilities can support apps as tangible, sustainable, and inclusive mechanism within the Pi app ecosystem. So I will stop here and give my own, contribution. You see, this is the development, and I believe it's a development in the right direction. Okay, the right direction, because it will kind of boost engagement within the Pi ecosystem, because this is the first for the second mainnet ready application in the ecosystem. And here you can see that it has utility for Pi, whereby you can spend Pi as you play the game, and also it kind of generate revenue for the ecosystem because you can watch ads as you play the game as well. So is this really going to work? Well, me personally, I'm not a game fan, but I believe that there are people that are so much into gaming and they are ready to play game, for an hour or two, okay, and so sometimes they are ready to spend some money to rack up higher scores in the game. So I believe it's going to work, especially now that the Pi Ventures is ready to invest in this sector. Okay, if you are a developer in the gaming niche, come and build on Pi network. As the ecosystem is evolving, I believe there are a lot of things in place, and this is just the beginning, okay, of it. So Fruit Pie, go ahead and test the game, play around and see how it works. So that's what's up, and see you in the next video.